Today we're going to be looking at my old faithful hammer drill. I've had this thing was probably 10 years plus. And today when I was drilling a hole in a wall, it would work, then it would stop working, shake it around, get it at a different angle, it would stop working again. And it was on and off like that until I got the holes drilled. So let's take this thing apart, see what's going on, and see if we can get Old Faithful back on the road. First things first, let's take a look at the brushes, see how much life we've got left on them. Yeah, still got at least a centimeter of carbon on them. I think first thing to check, easiest thing to check, is the power cable, where it joins in here. Maybe after all the twisting, all the years of twisting, maybe something has failed over here. Okay, so the power cable goes into the trigger box here. I see two screws. Hopefully these are the screws that capture those cables. So brown comes out of L, which is obviously for live. Nice. And then we have hey, very good. So that's easy. Two screws, we release the power cord. So if you wanted to replace the power cord, a couple of screws, done. Right, to test my theory, all we're going to do is put the multimeter in continuity mode, and we're going to just twist the cable around and see if we can find the break. And there we go, right there. The live wire is broken. Let's have a quick look at the neutral. Neutral wire seems to be fine. Okay, so we've got to chop off 10 centimeters of cable, and we should be back on the road. Nice easy fix. Get the Old Faithful working again. So you can see where the wire was compressed down by the clip that holds the wire. That's obviously where things have gone bad. Chop that off. Okay, continuity again. The live seems good. Okay, everything seems continuous. Okay, with those wires not fastly secured. Okay, everything seems to be back in its place. Right, before we put it all back together, find out something's not working correct, let's just give it a quick test. Lovely. Looks like this drill is sorted. Many more years of faithful work ahead of it. Nice easy fix. If you do attempt any kind of repairs like this yourself, make sure your mains are always disconnected. Don't risk live electric. As always, thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix, and we'll see you in the next one.